Now see here, this is the PV diagram for the Carnot engine. We have seen the work done and the net work done in one cycle. So, we have to calculate efficiency. So, efficiency is equal to W by Q1, that is the net work done in one cycle, and that is here Q1 minus Q2 upon Q1, and that can be written eta is equal to 1 minus Q2 upon Q1. 1 minus Q2 was given to us, that is RT2 log E here, that is V3 upon V4 divided by RT1 log E, that is V2 upon V1. Already we have done this formula for the Q1 and Q2. So, I have written from there. So, this is the formula for efficiency. Now, we have to solve this step also, because R and R will get cancelled, and we can also show V3 upon V4 is equal to V2 upon V1. Just see here from this, at B and at C there is a adiabatic expansion. So, in that case we can apply the equation for the adiabatic process. So, here we can write T1 V2 raised to power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V3 raised to power gamma minus 1. So, we can write T1 upon T2 is equal to V3 upon V2 raised to power gamma minus 1. This I have applied for the B and C. Similarly, we can apply for the D and A. So, we can write here T2 V4 gamma minus 1 is equal to T1 V1 gamma minus 1. So, we can write here T1 upon T2 is equal to V4 upon V1 raised to power gamma minus 1. Now, this and this are equal. So, we can write here V3 upon V2 raised to power gamma minus 1 is equal to V4 upon V1 gamma minus 1. So, we can write here V3 upon V2 is equal to V4 upon V1, and here we can write V3 upon V4 is equal to V2 upon V1. So, now we have shown here V3 upon V4 is equal to V2 upon V1. So, now see here in this equation this RR will get cancelled and this whole thing will get cancelled here. Now, what we will be getting here? Eta is equal to 1 minus R2 T2 upon T1. So, we can write here efficiency is equal to here efficiency of this Carnot engine 1 minus T2 upon T1. So, this is formula for the efficiency of Carnot engine. So, eta is equal to here T1 minus T2 upon T1. The efficiency is measured in percentage. Suppose if you are taking here T2 is equal to 0 here, or suppose in that case efficiency will be equal to 100%, and if you are taking T2 is equal to T1, then efficiency will be equal to 0. So, this is about the efficiency of Carnot engine.